Did you know that one of the most magical transformations in nature happens right under our noses? And it's so incredible. It almost looks like a fairy tale. Imagine the crawling, wiggly caterpillar turning into a flying, colorful butterfly. Sounds impossible, right? But stay with us till the end, because the final stage of this journey will completely shock you. It's not just about wings. This story holds a secret lesson for all of us, especially young dreamers like you. Every butterfly starts its life not with wings, but as a tiny egg so small you could miss it on a leaf. These eggs are carefully placed by a mother butterfly on the perfect plant, the one her baby will eat after it hatches. This is the first stage of something called metamorphosis, a big word that means a total transformation. It reminds us that even the tiniest beginning can lead to something beautiful. Just like you may be small now, but greatness is inside you. From that tiny egg hatches a little caterpillar, and its only mission is to eat. This little creature munches leaves all day, growing bigger and stronger. In fact, it grows so much that it has to shed its skin multiple times. Isn't that wild? But why does it eat so much? Because it's preparing for something amazing. Just like how we need to feed our minds with knowledge, a caterpillar feeds its body for the transformation ahead, and then the caterpillar stops. It hangs upside down and forms a hard shell called a chrysalis or pupa. From the outside, it looks like nothing's happening, but inside, a complete makeover is going on. The caterpillar is breaking down and rebuilding itself into something entirely different. This part is mysterious, quiet, and powerful. It's like taking a break from the world to grow silently. Even kids can learn from this. Sometimes the biggest changes happen when we take time to reflect and grow. After days or even weeks, the moment finally arrives. The chrysalis cracks open, and out comes not a caterpillar, but a beautiful butterfly with delicate wings. At first, its wings are wet and soft, but soon they dry and stretch out, and then, with a flap, it flies. For the very first time. Can you believe it? From crawling to soaring. Isn't that just like a dream coming true? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this magical story with your friends, because everyone deserves to know they're born to fly. The journey from caterpillar to butterfly teaches us that change takes time, and sometimes the biggest growth happens when no one is watching.